Hey, welcome back. So, scientists use powerful telescope on Earth and in space to study distant stars and galaxies. One telescope we talked about is the famous Hubble Space Telescope, which revealed the cosmos in great details for the first time. Another great telescope is the powerful James Webb Space Telescope that we will talk about later in this video. So before 1983, the only confirmed planets were those in our own solar system, even though scientists believe many planets were in orbit around distant stars. Then a team in 1983 spotted a disk believed to be made up of the raw materials of planet formation, the first evidence of an exoplanet. The first exoplanet was discovered 9 years later in 1992, and the numbers of known planets beyond our solar system have been growing rapidly ever since. To learn more about exoplanets, you can go at exoplanets.nasa.gov. Here are some great NASA missions to keep in mind. Number one, NASA's WISE mission. WISE for Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. NASA WISE spacecraft was successfully launched to near-Earth orbit on December 14, 2009 to serve as an infrared wavelength astronomical space telescope. WISE scanned the entire celestial sky in infrared light about 1.5 times. It captured more than 2.7 million images of objects in space, ranging from faraway galaxies to asteroids and comets close to our planet Earth. Another mission is Interstellar Boundary Explorer, or IBEX, which is an Explorer NASA mission to map the boundary of the solar system. IBEX is a small satellite the size of a bus tire. It's observing the solar system boundary while in orbit around Earth. The launch date was on October 19, 2008, and IBEX is designed to detect the edge of our solar system. Another mission we talk about is New Horizon. New Horizon was launched on January 19, 2006, and on July 14, 2015, New Horizons become the first spacecraft to explore Pluto and its 5 moons up close. Next mission, the Spitzer Space Telescope. The Spitzer Space Telescope was the fourth of NASA's great observatories after the Hubble Space Telescope launched in 1990, the Compton Gamma Ray Observatory in 1991, and the Chandra X-ray Observatory launched in 1999. The launch date of the Spitzer was on August 25, 2003. Spitzer uses an ultra-sensitive infrared telescope to study asteroids, comets, planets, and distant galaxies. Another great mission we talked about is the Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble Space Telescope was designed to provide clear and deep views of distant galaxies and stars and most of the planets in our solar system. The launch date was April 24, 1990. Next, Voyager 1. Launch date September 5, 1977. Voyager 1 successfully flew by both the Jupiter and Saturn system before continuing out into the farthest most reaches of our solar system. Next, Voyager 2. Launch date August 28, 1977. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to study all 4 of the solar system giant planets at close range, which are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, let's talk about the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is the world's largest, most powerful, and most complex space science telescope ever built. Webb is an international program led by NASA with its partners, the European and Canadian space agencies. The James Webb Telescope, or JWST, was launched on Christmas in December 25, 2021 on an European Space Agency Ariane 5 rocket from French Guiana, and as of May 2022 is undergoing testing and alignment. Webb will solve mysteries in our solar system, look beyond the distant world around other stars, and probe the mysterious structures and origin of our universe and our place in it. Webb will directly observe a part of space and time never seen before. Webb will gas into the epoch when the very first stars and galaxies formed over 13.8 billion years ago. Webb will also be a powerful tool for studying the nearby universe. Scientists will use Webb to study planets and other bodies in our solar system to determine their origin and evolution and compare them with exoplanets, planets that orbit other stars. Webb is NASA's largest and most powerful space science telescope ever constructed. After launching from French Guiana, the observatory will travel to an orbit about 1 million miles away from our planet Earth and undergo 6 months of commissioning in space, unfolding its mirrors, sun shields, and other smaller systems, cooling down, alignment, and calibrating. Astronomers worldwide will then be able to conduct scientific observations to broaden our understanding of the universe. The location in space of the Webb Space Telescope will be, the Webb Space Telescope will be orbiting the Sun around the second Lagrange point called L2. Lagrange points are positioned in space where objects sent there tend to stay put. Lagrange points are named in honor of Italian-French mathematician Joseph Louis Lagrange. L2 is ideal for astronomy because a spacecraft is close enough to readily communicate with our planet Earth, can keep Sun, Earth, and Moon behind the spacecraft for solar power, and with appropriate shielding provides a clear view of deep space for telescope. L2 is located in space at a distance of 1 million miles or about 1.6 million kilometers, directly behind our planet Earth as viewed from the Sun. To learn more about the James Webb Telescope, you can go at web.nasa.gov or at webtelescope.org. I am going to leave you with this great quote from Carl Sagan, a great planetary scientist. Quote, "Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were, but without it, we go nowhere." All right, my friend, thank you for watching and bye for now.